Hey, what's up and welcome back to Easy Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 activation keys for cheap. Many Windows users face activation issues that limit their computer's potential, and with so many unofficial methods out there, it can be tough to know where to turn. But don't worry, I'll explain why it's important to avoid unauthorized tools and the best, most reliable ways to activate your Windows 11 legally while saving some cash. Before we dive in, if you're into tips and tricks for Windows and tech, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you'll never miss a new video. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to go to thekeysfan.com. You have a link in the description, and over here, for example, choose this Windows 10 Professional key, click it, and all you need to do is to add to cart and click View Cart. And don't forget over here on the right side to apply discount code, so just type in EasyT50 and click apply discount, and you will have a 50% discount, which is super great. And just hit proceed to checkout, and over here fill up your information and hit place order, and you will be just fine. The key is a OEM version, which means it's a permanent activation and will be sent directly to your email in about 10 minutes. So make sure that you fill up the right email. KeysFan offers refunds and customer support, so make sure to contact them if you run into any problems. And this is it. Check out the description for the coupon code that you can copy paste for a discount code for Office also, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.